This is the story of radial nerve, which is played by Radha. Radial nerve, we all know, is one of the three most important nerve of the upper limb, that is the radial nerve, median nerve, and the ulnar nerve. It is one of them. Here the key words are: the course of radial nerve is the journey of Radha's life. Ventral aspect, when radial nerve traveling on the ventral aspect, V for ventral and V for Vaibhav, that means luxury. Dorsal aspect, D for dorsal and D for Dikkat. Dikkat mein, that means in difficulty. Innervation of the radial nerve is equal to the action done by Radha. Complication of radial nerve injury is the Radha's suffering. Muscular branches, that is brother of Radha, and sensory sisters of Radha. So says Radha, which belongs to Purohit Kul. Here, this one is his father. From Purohit Kul, Radha belongs to. So, PC, Purohit Kul, and radial nerve is the continuation of the posterior cord. Again, PC. From the early childhood, Radha wants to become someone great, so she left her house via one outlet from the back side of her house, living all luxury and adopt difficult life. पूरी बहादुरी के साथ, PB, पूरी बहादुरी. Adopt difficult life with bravery. The same way, the radial nerve comes dorsal aspect, that is the difficult life, dorsal aspect from the ventral aspect via the lower triangular subscapular space. Here you can see the lower triangular space along with the profunda brachiae artery. Puri Bahaduri, that is PB, and here is the PB again, profunda brachiae. So first Radha stayed in, here you can see that the outlet from the back side of her house, she left her house, and here is the same from the lower triangular subscapular space going to the dorsal aspect. Radha stayed in Axilla hostel along with his two brother and one small sister, and also taken responsibility of them. Radial nerve in axilla, the same way radial nerve in the axilla gives two muscular branches. Muscular, that is brother, long head of triceps and the medial head of triceps. One brother which has got of long height and one is of medium height. So long head of triceps and the medial head of triceps. And the one sister, that is sensory branch, is the posterior cutaneous nerve form. Here you can see this is the radial nerve giving the branches in axilla, that is the branch of long head of triceps, medial head of triceps, and the posterior cutaneous nerve form. Radha faced many frustration and depression in her struggling life, but puri bahaduri ke saath, that is PB, with bravery. Even in this difficult life, she supported two brothers, one uncle's son as well, that is cousin, and two small sisters. In difficult life, that is in the dorsal aspect, radial nerve runs in a spiral groove. Here we have seen that with in frustration and depression. Depression, that is groove. Depression is groove. So we are talking about the radial nerve in the spiral groove. Okay. So give two muscular branches and one sensory branch and one branch also to the unconius, that uncle son, unconius. Here we can see that radial nerves passing in the spiral groove in between the medial and the lateral head of triceps. The muscular branches to the medial head of triceps and branch to the lateral head of triceps. The medial and the lateral side of that. And one more muscular branch to the unconeus. One small branch, the lower aspect, that is unconeus. And the sensitive branches are also two, that is the lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm and the posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm in a spiral groove. Whereas in axilla, the radial nerve gives posterior cutaneous nerve of arm, but here it is forearm. At last, the difficulty. The Vaibhav, that is the luxury, comes into the life of Radha when she cracked entrance test for Ladakh Institute of Medical Sciences, LIMS. Here you can see the neat result came out. And the same way, the radial nerve coming to the ventral aspect, that is the Vaibhav, luxury, from the dorsal aspect by piercing lateral intermuscular septum. The same way. Okay, pierces lateral intermuscular system to reach anterior compartment again. In medical college, Radha fell in love with Brachialis, a handsome guy, and got married. Here you can see Radha got married with Brachialis, and now Radha becomes an Indian wife, or BB. Only muscle of flexor compartment of arm supplied by radial nerve is the brachialis, and that radial nerve runs in between, and after supplying the brachialis, radial nerve runs in between the brachialis and brachioradialis, that is BB. She has taken over the role of BB, as she is passing through the brachialis, in between the brachialis and brachioradialis. But this happiness of radial nerve, this happiness of Radha, is temporary, as Brachialis, her husband, is doubly married. His first wife is Madhu. Same as that of the brachialis muscle has got double nerve supply. That is why radial nerve as well as by the musculocutaneous, M for Madhu and F for musculocutaneous. Brachialis is a hybrid muscle supplied by both. Only few steps earlier of this beautiful bent of married life, Radha shattered into two pieces, and she forced to live double life, superficial and deep. She got hurt by this double marriage of her husband, and she is forced to live double life, superficial and deep. Same way, the radial nerve from 2.5 centimeter earlier than from this beautiful bent of life, that is the elbow joint. The radial nerve give two branches. Here you can see the superficial and the deep. Superficially, Radha pretend to be normal and completed her MBBS. As she cracked NEET for becoming a doctor, so Radha pretend to be normal in a superficial life and completed her MBBS. Same way, the superficial branch of the radial nerve form the content of the cubital fossa. From medial to lateral, the arrangement of the structure are MBBS. That is the median nerve, then brachial artery, or you can say the brachial vessels, and the biceps brachii tendon, and the superficial branch of the radial nerve. Here is the deep branch, but it goes on the deeper aspect. Okay. Now in depth, now we are discussing about the deep branch. So in depth, Radha has to pass through two heads of superiority and inferiority in her home. Here you can see the conflict between the wife and husband, superiority, inferiority, and her married life wishes pinned up finally. The same way radial nerve passes in between the two heads of supinator muscle, and after that it is renamed as posterior interosseous nerve, PIN. The same as Radha, after passing through the superiority inferiority, it is viscous pinned up. This is passing in between the two heads of supinator, this deep branch. Now after marriage, in BB phase, Radha already dumped off ek rasta, that is sweetness, and barbolapan, that is chirpiness. She used to talk very much, so she was a chirpy girl, but all those characters has lost due to this tragedy that her husband is doubly married. After marriage in BB phase, that is while the radial nerve supplying brachialis and extensor carpi radialis longus while passing in between the brachialis and brachioradialis. Okay, ek rasta, ECR, ek rasta, that is sweetness, and barbolapan, that is BR. Here is ECRL is extensor carpi radialis longus and brachialis. So radial nerve supplies these two muscles while passing in between the brachialis and brachioradialis. Here you can see this while passing in between the brachialis and brachioradialis, radial nerve supply. This is extensor carpi radialis longus and the brachioradialis. Now Radha in pinned up form, that is in while dwelling the deeper the life which is in reality, in pinned up form, has to serve all members of her family. Same way the radial nerve supply and innervate all the extensor muscles of the forearm in the form of posterior interosseous nerve. Here these are the list. Posterior interosseous nerve supplies the superficial extensor, that is extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digitorum, extensor carpi radialis brevis, and the deep extensor innervated by pen is the extensor indicis, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, abductor pollicis longus, and supinator. So how will we memorize? So one day the fingers are talking with each other. That thumb, what did he think of himself? All his muscles comes under the deep category. That is the abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, all comes in deep category. And we, the all fingers except thumb, we are the like extensor digitorum. Supplying this extensor digitorum, even the little finger can do much. We can do everything. What did he think of himself, this thumb? It comes into the deep category and we are superficial ones. How? Because the extensor digiti minimi, even the little finger, this one, it can do much. Here you can see, it is holding the whole Govardhan Parvat. And we all are one. The fingers, except thumb, we all are in one line, all are one. So, Eku, we are Eku, that is extensor carpi ulnaris. We all are one. And we are under the guidance of one God. Ek Rab hai hum log ka. Ek Rab. ECRB, that is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. These are all superficial muscles, that is the extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi ulnaris, and the extensor digitorum and the extensor digiti minimi. Now the deep muscles, to memorize the deep muscles supplied by pin, that we are Indians, so extensor indicis, we are superior, so supinator. We are not superficial, so it is easy to remember that we comes in deep group, and we used to take tobacco as oral cancer is most prevalent in India. So we used to take tobacco, and this is the tobacco. Here you can see the anatomical snuff box is used for taking tobacco sniffing, and the anterior boundary is formed by the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis, and the posterior boundary is formed by, here is the, in anatomical position this will be anterior, and this one is the posterior. So anteriorly is formed by the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis, and posterior boundary is formed by the extensor pollicis longus alone. So these all muscles, that anatomical snuff box boundary maker, as well as this victory sign supinator and the Indians, that is the extensor indicis, all comes in the deep group. This is how we can memorize the muscles. In her superficial, now we are talking about the superficial branch. In her superficial or apparent life, Radha during the last phase of life or last bent of life, that is the wrist joint, she used to take tobacco sniffing in the last phase of life of Radha. You can see the Radha is taking tobacco sniffing. The superficial branch of the radial nerve just before the wrist joint comes dorsally, and after crossing the anatomical snuff box. That's why I am talking about the tobacco sniffing. Here we can see the radial nerve is passing from here. This is in yellow color is the radial nerve, the superficial branch passing through the anatomical snuff box. But even though in this difficult phase, she also helped 3 homeless women and a small girl child. The same way supplying 3.5 finger sensory supply. Sensory, that is the sisters, but here we are talking about the women, which is, and the half finger is the girl child. So 3.5 finger sensory supply except the nail bed. Except nail bed, that is it, they are homeless. So they are supplied by the radial nerve. So this is the whole journey of radial nerve, and this is how first it is on the anterior aspect, going to the posterior aspect through the subscapular space, then it passes through the spiral groove, and then it got married, and then it divides into 2, the superficial. After becoming a doctor, now in the last bend of life she is helping others, and now the deep ones are serving all the extensors. Now come to the clinical application of the radial nerve. It get injured at 3 places: in the axilla, in the mid shaft at the site of a spiral groove, and just before the wrist joint. Here A for axilla, S for a spiral groove, and W for wrist joint, just before the joint. So ASW, that is Asu, that is nothing but the suffering of Radha. Here we can see what happens to the radial nerve if get injured in axilla. It normally happens in radial nerve palsy. In axilla, the causes are Saturday night palsy, after taking alcohol usually in Saturday at the weekend. The person used to sleep like this, and this the back of the chair is in this position and harming the causing compression of the radial nerve. And this is honeymoon palsy, when the another individual sleeping on one's arm for a long time. And this is the crutch palsy, when crutch compresses the nerve. So if the radial nerve get injured in axilla, not a single muscle is going to be supplied. Okay, So there will be elbow drop, wrist drop, finger drop, all the muscles and all the motor and the sensory all get paralyzed. While in spiral groove, while the radial nerve is passing through the spiral groove, and when there is a mid-shaft fracture, so radial nerve get injured. But here is one thing, that is the long and the medial head of the triceps escaped as they are supplied while the radial nerve passes through the axilla. Okay, so they will get escaped. So there will be no elbow drop as the triceps does the extension of elbow joint. So no elbow drop, only wrist drop and the finger drop. And if there is injury just above the wrist joint, all the muscles are supplied. Here you can see all the muscles get supplied by this posterior interosseous nerve. All the muscles of the extensor muscles of the forearm. And if there is injury at this level, only this sensory, the cutaneous branches will be affected. So there will be no motor loss. All these are supplied very earlier. So just above the wrist joint, no elbow drop, no wrist drop, no finger drop. As all the muscles are already supplied above this level, only involvement of the sensory nerve, that is the lateral 3.5 finger on the dorsal aspect except the nail bed, will be parasthetized. Okay, and this is known as Waardenburg syndrome. Please don't confuse with this is known as Waardenburg syndrome, and don't confuse with Waardenburg sign. Okay, and that is the abduction of the little finger. That is different thing. So this is Waardenburg syndrome, in which there is only superficial branch at the after the wrist level get compromised, so there will be sensory loss. Thank you.